Oh, it looks like it's about that time. Nice. Oh yeah, we lit. All right. So we working here. Okay. Oh yeah, bruh. Had to spend a good penny for this right here. Yeah, we lit. We lit. What's good, YouTube? I ain't gonna lie, bruh. It's been a little minute. Not too long though. I got the downpipe right here. You feel me? I'm gonna give y'all a little install. Ain't gonna be nothing too crazy. You feel me? Cause I ain't gonna sit there and record every little part. I'm gonna show y'all a little under the hood. No, not under the hood. I ain't got none under there really. I'm gonna show y'all me putting the downpipe on, taking the old one out, putting the old 2 sensors on, and then I'm gonna let y'all hear before and after, all right? I wanna give y'all a before, then I'm gonna give y'all an after, my reaction, you feel me? So this is before. Charge pipe. Oh yeah, we lit. Charge pipe. Some just came, man. I'm talking about, they already have this in here for me. I don't even gotta do it. They set it up for me already. And then these are my clamps. I think this for the boost pipe. No, this is the boost pipe right here. Or is this? Nah, bro, this is the boost pipe. I have my rubber thing. I don't even think this for the boost, I'm pretty sure. And this one's for the charge right here. I'm gonna get these installed. Then had to go old school with this crank. This crank right here. Terrible. Doesn't work out. I done had to crank this the whole time. The toe was in my legs just to get this one tire up. Now I gotta get a whole nother tire. And my legs hurt. My legs actually hurt. Y'all, we up to 4 a.m. and we just got this downpipe out. This done took so long. We done had to go on excursions to Walmart, get forgot what what's that stuff called? No, the P what? PB Blaster. Oh, PB Blaster. This stuff right here. And got this nasty downpipe out. This bulky. I ain't done. Changed the charge pipe, the boost pipe. I don't know if y'all can see that. And that's pretty much it. That's the old thing, the rubber. And the stock charge pipe. We about done. Gotta install the regular downpipe and we done. Alright, so I ain't ended up going to bed till like 7 o'clock, but right now, I mean, I did get the downpipe inside, but the thing is, it don't sit flush. Like, it's not sitting in there flush. It's kind of like the top part is kind of like up higher, like out a little bit. So I'm about to go get an exhaust clamp and a T45 to drop the exhaust pipe down so that we can like fully like put the downpipe inside, and then the exhaust clamp instead of the V-band, because the exhaust clamp will hold it down better and keep the, if it is a leak. The V-band clamp broke, so we just might as well, instead of going to get a V-band clip, we just gonna get the exhaust clip, just because the downpipe's end is like, it doesn't have like a little, so the old downpipe had like this, the bottom of it had like a part where it could just sit inside the exhaust flush, like clean. So I'm gonna go get an exhaust clip, clamp that on, and then we should be chilling, bro. I should be done after that, bro. Honestly, I'm gonna get y'all a POV too. All right, we got this T45 exhaust clamp. This joint is 3 inches, so it should fit no matter what. We want it tight, and they only had 2.5, and that was the one under, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's just pray this works. So we're gonna be back at square one, back to the drawing board. We put the forgot what this clamp called. We put this clamp here instead of the V clamp. The V clamp was rusted and stuff, so it's good now. We good. Alright, so I'm gonna give y'all a POV of what everything sounds like with the downpipe and the charge pipe and everything all in. Really, I ain't gonna talk too much. I plan on getting my my windows tinted, so don't worry about the windshield looking like how it is. Everything gonna be cleaned up. I'm trying to get 20% on the front, and then the back, I'm not tinting the back at all because it looked like it was already dark. And then I just want to get my tints fixed on the side because it's kind of peeling a little bit. But other than that, I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all vibe out, bro. Here straight exhaust. tuned pretty soon, so hopefully everything will be straight. The burbles will be louder. Y'all might be able to hear the natural burbles right now, but every now and then you hear a loud pop. I just know, like, if I get the burbles tuned, bro, it'll be crazy. give y'all a pull right here, and then I'm gonna give y'all a pull right here. close too, so y'all can hear it. That bird was. I get my 10, I can record in peace. Not worried about people looking at me, bro. Alright, let me get y'all a couple revs. I love it, bro. I love this car, man. Y'all hear that bird? Alright, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Much love. Yeah, that's it pretty much. I appreciate y'all for watching the video, you feel me? Next time y'all see it, I'll probably post another video of me getting my tent done or whatever. Tent, and then the tunes next, and then really we just gonna upgrade everything else. Go stage 2 on this thing. You feel me? We out.